Hello, my name is Dr. Ankit and today I would like to tell you about the difference between PRP treatment and hair transplant procedure. PRP is a minimally invasive procedure. We make micro injuries over the superficial area of the scalp. On the other side, in hair transplant, we make injuries using blades or needles, which I earlier explained to you as slit making. The PRP treatment, the cost varies drastically on PRP and hair transplant procedures. There are 3 to 4 sessions which you have to take for PRP treatment, which cost roughly around 3 to 4,000 per session. On the other hand, hair transplant is a single day procedure which starts from about 35,000 rupees and goes up to the number of grafts to be implanted. PRP stimulates hair growth and can be taken by anybody. On the other hand, hair transplant is a process where we redistribute the active hair follicles. It is basically done by people who are suffering from androgenetic alopecia, which can be both male and females. People suffering from hair fall can opt for PRP procedures, and on the other hand, people who have bald regions can go for hair transplant procedures. There are various myths that I have come across during my career, some of which are it can cause cancer and it can cause brain injury, but these are totally false. It is a very superficial surgery, and the brain obviously is protected by a layer of skull, and there are several layers on the scalp, and we do the work in the superficial layers only.